My name is Christopher De La Cruz Jr., but you can call me Tope. I was born and raised in Iloilo, known as the City of Love. I recently moved to Manila because I believe this city offers more opportunities than my hometown. I am currently a working student, balancing my job as a virtual assistant with my studies. As a credit specialist, I help clients achieve their desired scores. Working and studying at the same time has been challenging, but it has also been a valuable experience that has taught me a lot about work ethic and customer service over the past 2 years. My academic goal is to learn as much as possible, improve my skills, and graduate with Latin honors. I want to expand my knowledge and excel in my field. I have a variety of skills and experiences that are relevant to my chosen field. I enjoy cooking and baking, and I have experience in customer support. I also speak three language. It is English, Tagalog, and Hiligaynon or Bisaya. I am pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, majoring in cruise management because I love cooking, serving guests, and providing a warm welcome to the customers. The idea of creating experiences for people excites me. In conclusion, I am very enthusiastic about this course. It matches my interests and career goals perfectly. I am eager to use my skills and experiences to succeed in the hospitality industry and make a positive impact. That's all. Thank you for listening.